Look at that 5-inch exhaust, man. How's that thing sound?
Good.
Really good. Holy moly. I heard it when he was driving away this morning and I was in my room. I heard that thing start up. I was like, dang. It's loud. I'm gonna pick up the nasty red. I think my dad's over here right now. Yo, yo. What's up? There's old nasty red. Little update for you. Yeah. They did a lot this past weekend. Yeah, we got to do airbags on this thing. Compound turbo system still. We got to do a retorque on the head studs just to make sure everything's snug. Since we've ran it a few times now. You know, just some other small stuff. What did you think of the intro yesterday? People wanted to know what your reaction was.
To the intro?
Yeah.
I think the intro is pretty amazing.
It's pretty good.
It's very powerful in terms of the thought process behind everything. Because you're always going to have folks who are dogging, but having a solid foundation belief is everything. But what I was also amazed at this morning when I got in my truck and turned it on, it's kind of cool. 5-inch.
Sounds pretty awesome.
Yeah. In fact, I want to start that mom up now so I can take off.
Yeah. Might as well get it on video. All right, start this truck up. Holy moly. Sounds pretty good.
That sounds really good.
Sounds really good. Okay, well, he's got to go to work and we got to work on the nasty red. So.
Right on.
What is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the intro on yesterday's video. It's probably the most talked about and most engaging intro that I've ever done, and people are just saying how it was the coolest video yet that I've ever posted. So if you guys have not seen that yet, definitely go and check it out. I'll actually try to leave a link to it in the description below. It was a 50K video, and it was just kind of going into detail how it was more than just a number, and it was just a moment to reflect back on certain things that got us to that point. So anyways, guys, we're going to be working on possibly the airbags today, but for sure I'm thinking, well, not for sure, but I'm thinking we're going to retorque the head studs on the nasty red. So we're going to get a start up on that right now. Absolutely love driving this nasty red now, guys. Absolutely love it. Cannot wait to have these compound turbos up there. Because right now that little HX35 is really limiting this truck, but man, it's gonna really bring it to life with some compounds, that's for sure. Now let's just take a real quick moment to kind of remember that just a handful of weeks ago, this truck was on stock wheels and tires. We had the mirrors folded down, wink wink. We didn't have the LNP decal. We didn't have the bed on here at all. This is just frame. This is just frame on stock wheels and tires, doing nothing. But now we've got, I mean, we're talking rear diff, shocks, flatbed, wheels, tires. I mean, shoot. Well, exhaust tip. By the way, links in the description for the mod list on these trucks. If you guys are looking to get any of the stuff that you see on these builds, definitely go check out the links in the description. And also, the horsepower parts that went into this truck were from Diesel Auto Power. There's going to be a link in the description down low. Definitely go and check that link out. It takes you to their webpage, but you gotta let them know when you get to their website and when you're checking out. There's going to be a section probably kind of like how'd you hear about us. Definitely let them know that Loud and Proud sent you. So otherwise, I don't get any credit on that. So it really helps out on that end. So thank you guys for that. But yeah, let's get into what are we going to do first? Let's get to torquing the head studs first because I know exactly how to do that and what we're going to do. And then in the meantime, we'll kind of game plan how we're going to try to tackle the rear airbags on this thing as well. They say they're supposed to be really easy, but of course I don't know yet. I haven't done it. So let's get on to the head studs. Open sesame. Here we are. All I have to do is remove the valve covers and then retorque all the head studs and we're good to go. So we're just gonna go through and retorque all these down to 125 foot-pounds. I believe that's the number. And then after that, we're gonna be done with the head studs. Okay guys, so we just got done retorquing all the head studs. Kind of shut off the camera about halfway through. I had a couple small difficulties, but it all ended up well in the end. We got them all torqued down and down to spec. And we were gonna try to install the airbags as well today because my dad said that it was a no drill system. However, that is not a fact. It does require some drilling and it does have clamps for the bottom portion, I believe. But as far as I can tell, there still is drilling required. So I saw the words drill and I saw 3/8 inch holes. So yeah, so I just, all the drills and stuff's not even here anyway, so it just kind of be a pain in the butt. I'd have to go back and forth and get all the stuff. And yeah, just a project I'm not really looking to tackle today. As you guys see, we still have this little itty bitty baby HX35, which don't get me wrong, it's a great turbo. It holds up great if you're looking to stay well under 400 horsepower. It's a great turbo. It's got real good low end, spools up quick, all that stuff, fancy, whatever. But it's just not ideal for handling and producing the horsepower that we're looking to get out of this thing with all the other supporting mods. So what we're gonna do is marry up a BorgWarner S475, I think it is, to this. But let me show you the compound turbo kit. Those of you who are newer, because since we showed the turbo kit last time, I mean, we've grown about 8,000 subscribers since we last showed this. So all this stuff back here, pusher. So if you guys are looking for a good compound turbo system, or you know, the same one that we're doing, maybe you're interested in all the different powder coating stuff, and you guys can do all different colors and stuff on Pusher's website. They have all different options. Yeah, they sell a really good kit from what we could tell, and highly recommended. Everybody else that we could talk to, they said, yeah, if you guys go with the Pusher stuff, it's good stuff. So there's other good kits out there, but this one was just the one that stood out to my dad the most too, for his personal preference and the design and the way he liked it. So that's what he went with. And yeah, it's a good kit. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys think I should try to tackle this myself. I'm not sure. I mean, it's just a first for everything. Like doing everything that I did under the hood of that truck was a first for me as well. This would be no different, really. It'd just be another new adventure. Just got to learn it so I can do the next one. So yeah, I'll get to it here probably fairly soon. But just kind of got to figure out how I'm going to get the bolts off of the manifold and the turbo assembly itself on the nasty red over there. But here's the kit when it's installed, what it should look like. 5-inch downpipe. I believe it's a 5-inch pipe that comes out to your cold air intake. And you keep that little HX35 on there for the low end stuff. And then you marry up BorgWarner back there. And that's going to handle most of your heavy pulling, your heavy cruising. When you need that extra boost and you need that extra pulling power, that turbo's going to light up, and that's what's going to handle that load. And let me know down in the comments if you guys think I should try to tackle that myself, or if I try to get a hold of somebody to lend me a hand. Okay everybody, so that is probably going to put a wrap on this video. Just got done, like I said, we torqued all the head bolts and head studs on the truck again, just to make sure everything is good and snug. Ran into a couple small difficulties when it comes to like torque wrench stuff and whatever and crap like that, but we got everything done. We managed to finish it up. Yesterday's video was I thought it turned out really well. So if you guys didn't check it out, definitely go and check it out. And we are all out of the red decals. Those actually sold out in the first like 3 days when we had them in. And I think the white decals, we've got, I think like 10-ish left in stock, maybe 10, maybe not even 10, but we've only got a few left in stock, and that's been about 1 full week, and then those will technically be all gone again. I'm gonna try to, in tomorrow's video, draw the person for $500 cash who won. I got your cash waiting at the house. And all I have to do is draw a name and send somebody some money. Share with a friend if you enjoyed. Leave your likes and comments down below. Subscribe if you are new. Join the team, join the family, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace. So every time someone tells you you can't do it, take a look at that clueless, dirty look on their face and tell them these 2 words. Watch me.